Good morning and thank you for joining us. Our morning outlook will focus on the pound dollar, recent developments, and its potential impact on the markets. Let's hear from Greg in our trading room.
The oil-dollar pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, rising 0.2%. The CCI indicates an overbought market. The Aussie-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The euro-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The RSI is giving a positive signal. The dollar-yen price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal.
Thank you for sharing with us. Now let's hear from our news department.
Gold soared above the $2,600 level on Friday for the first time, extending a rally boosted by bets for further US interest rate cuts and rising tensions in the Middle East. Spot gold was up 1.3%. Shares of FedEx slumped over 15% on Friday, the worst in 2 years, after a dismal first-quarter profit drop due to anemic economic conditions and an ongoing customer shift towards slower, cheaper deliveries. FedEx, seen as a global trade barometer, lost over $11 billion in market value. A roaring rally in US stocks will face a gauntlet of economic data, looming political uncertainty, and a corporate earnings test in coming weeks, as investors navigate one of the most volatile periods of the year for equity markets. The S&P 500 last week hit its first closing all-time high in 2 months after the Fed unveiled a 50 basis point rate cut.
Thank you. And now let's go through today's major economic events.
The US 3-month bill auction will be released at 15:30 GMT. The US 6-month bill auction at 15:30 GMT. The Dutch gross domestic product at 4:30 GMT. Singapore's consumer price index will be released at 5 GMT. Korea's producer price index growth at 21 GMT. Australia's RBA interest rate decision at 4:30 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join our next review for the latest news and events from the financial markets.